welcome back. As you can tell, new area. We're gonna be cooking today. Don't mind the hot mess. My hair is looking a hot mess. It's been up all day. But today we're gonna make taco soup, and my family loves it. So hopefully you can learn a bit. It used to be like way up here, but as the day has gone on, oh, there goes a piece of hair. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. If you're returning, also hi. And I hope you enjoy this video. It's super easy if you need something to cook. And I wouldn't say it's fast because it takes like an hour or more.